Hey guys, this is Aaron. Welcome to Rose Morning YouTube channel. Today is a tutorial videos. I will teach you how to install our future flower arch. Okay, let's do it. For our tutorial flower arch, when you receive the future flower arch and you open the boxes, you will find it composed of 4 parts: 2 vertical stands and 2 small arch. So for each flowers, we will send you a pocket of nylon cable tie for free. It is used for fastening the flowers on the stand. Yeah, just take care. So right now I will teach you how to install our future flower arch. First step, we need to contact the 2 small flower arch together. We insert it. And rotate the valves clockwise to fasten and make it stable. Okay, the second step, when you finish the arch, right now we need to install the arch. We need to contact the arch with our vertical stands together. Right now you need to ask your friends to help you. Yeah, okay. Okay, the arch isn't so heavy, but it's a little bit difficult because you need to hold it up. So it's better to ask your friends to help you. Then you insert it into the hole. Yeah. If you find you can't insert it successfully, right now you need to lose the valves because the valves may be stuck it. So you need to lose the valves. Okay, right now it inserts successfully. When you finish the arch, you can find it at the bottom of the flower arch. It looks so empty. Right now, what should we do with that? Okay, now we can use this bunch of flowers to decorate. Let me teach you. First, we put it at the bottom of the flower arch. And right now, we need to fasten it. We can use the cable tie I mentioned before to fasten it. Just like this. And tie them together. Okay, finish. It's very stable. Right now, the flower has been completed, finished. So it looks so excellent, right? It's pink color and purple colors. And it will be excellent choice for your wedding event or party event. If you want to get one, let's subscribe us and learn more about this flower arch. Bye bye.